When you search for the best zero-turn mower under $5,000, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy photos. But to really find the mower that meets your needs, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Mojack EZ Max 45001. The Mojack EZ Max 45001 caught my eye immediately with its solid build and smart design, priced at $329.99. If you want an easy way to maintain your zero-turn mower, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The EZ Max allows you to lift your mower safely, making blade sharpening and deck cleaning a breeze. With a 450-pound lift capacity and a 24-inch lift height, you can tackle maintenance without needing a heavy ramp. Plus, it operates manually or with a power drill, saving you time and effort. Over 2,000 people have rated it 4.6 stars, indicating it's not just a gimmick, people love it. Now, some people complained about the assembly instructions being a bit unclear. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the convenience and safety it provides are totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you own a zero-turn mower and want to save on service costs by doing maintenance yourself. Skip this one if you need something portable that you can store away easily, as it does take up some space. Product number 2, AUX Mag Heavy Duty Hitch. Next up is the AUX Mag Heavy Duty Zero-Turn Mower Trailer Hitch, priced at just $17.99. If you want a reliable towing solution for your mower, this is definitely worth considering. This hitch is designed to handle up to 1,500 pounds, thanks to its heavy-duty steel construction and powerful magnets. Imagine being able to hook up your trailer or other attachments quickly, no more fussing around. With a solid 4.6-star rating from over 1,100 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its ease of use. Now, some users mentioned that the magnet could be a bit finicky on bumpy terrain. But honestly, if you're using it for lighter duties on average lawns, it performs exceptionally well. This is perfect for you if you frequently need to tow accessories with your mower. Skip it if you're looking for something that can handle heavy-duty towing all the time, as it's better suited for lighter tasks. Product number 3, Zetom Mower Cover. The Zetom Zero-Turn Mower Cover is next on the list, and it's an affordable investment at $39.99. If you want to keep your mower protected from the elements, this is a solid choice. Crafted from 600D Oxford cloth and equipped with a PU coating, this cover is heavy-duty and waterproof, so you won't have to worry about rust or fading. Measuring 79 inches long and designed to fit most mowers up to 60 inches, it protects your investment from UV damage, rain, and debris. Plus, it comes with smart buckles to keep it securely fastened, even in windy conditions. With a 4.7-star rating, it's no surprise that people find it effective. Now, some customers worried about the fit being too tight or too loose. Here's the thing though, as long as you check the dimensions, you should be fine. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable cover to extend the life of your mower. Skip it if you're looking for a cover that comes with a warranty, as this one doesn't. Product number 4, Kipia Lawn Mower Cover. Another excellent option is the Kipia Zero-Turn Mower Cover, priced at $38.99. If you want all-weather protection for your mower, this cover could be just what you need. Made from heavy-duty 600D fabric with a double-layer PU coating, this cover keeps your mower dry even in heavy rain or snow. Plus, it's easy to clean and comes with a storage bag. It boasts a 4.7-star rating, showing that many people trust it for their outdoor equipment. Some users mention that the buckles can be a bit tricky to secure. However, once you figure it out, the protection it offers is really impressive. This is best for you if you live in an area with unpredictable weather and need a cover that can handle it all. Skip it if you want something that's super easy to put on and take off, as it does require some effort to secure properly. Product number 5, CAROD Mower Handle. Finally, we have the CAROD Zero-Turn Mower Handle, available for $32.99. If you're looking for a way to make yard work easier, this handle is worth your attention. This accessory is designed to hold a 5-gallon bucket, allowing you to transport yard waste or tools easily without having to jump on and off your mower constantly. Its versatility allows it to fit many brands of zero-turn mowers, and it's easy to install without drilling. With a 4.3-star rating, it's a practical addition to any mower setup. Now, some users reported that it can be a little wobbly if not installed correctly. But honestly, if you take the time to secure it properly, it's a handy tool that can save you a lot of time. This is perfect for you if you're tired of bending down to pick up debris while mowing. Skip it if you have limited space on your mower's front bar, as it needs some clearance to fit properly. So there you have it. The Mojack EZ Max 45001 for safe maintenance, ALK's Mags hitch for easy towing, Zetum's cover for weather protection, Kipia's cover for all-season reliability, and CAROD's handle for efficient yard work. Depending on your needs, any of these could be a great addition to your mower toolkit.